Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Uber Eats app not loading. If your Uber Eats app is not loading, what you can do is firstly check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now next what you can do is tap on your phone settings. After you tap on your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps. After you tap on apps, tap on app management. Now over here, after you tap on app management, tap on search. Now start typing Uber Eats. After you tap on Uber Eats, tap on storage uses. In storage uses, tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, what next you can do is reinstall and install the app. Search for Uber app on your home screen. Press the app and tap on uninstall. After you uninstall the app, to reinstall it, tap on Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, tap on search, start typing Uber Eats and download the app. And lastly, if your app is not updated, update the app. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.